Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into the best home and office printers of 2025. Whether you're looking for a high-speed printer for your small business, an all-in-one solution for your home office, or a wireless printer that can handle everything, we've got the top picks for you. We'll be covering everything you need to know, from print quality to cost effectiveness, so you can find the perfect printer for your needs. Stay tuned as we walk you through the best options of 2025, and don't forget to check out the links in the description to grab yours at the best price. If you're looking for a reliable, high-speed, and efficient all-in-one printer for your home or office, the Canon ImageClass MF462DW is the perfect solution. This monochrome laser printer delivers fast, sharp, and professional quality prints at up to 37 pages per minute, making it ideal for anyone who needs serious productivity without sacrificing quality. With duplex, double-sided, printing, you can cut paper usage and save time effortlessly. It's not just a printer, it's also a powerful scanner, copier, and fax machine, all packed into a sleek and compact design that fits easily into any workspace. Whether you're printing documents, scanning forms, or copying reports, the auto document feeder streamlines the process for smooth, hands-free performance. What sets the MF462DW apart is its wireless connectivity and mobile readiness. You can print directly from your smartphone, tablet, or laptop using Canon's easy-to-use mobile app, AirPrint, or other cloud services. No need to be tied to your desk. Plus, with USB and Ethernet options, you have multiple ways to connect based on your needs. The setup is simple, and the intuitive touchscreen makes it easy to navigate functions without any hassle. Built for long-term use, this printer comes with a 3-year limited warranty, giving you peace of mind with every page you print. If you're ready to upgrade your printing experience with speed, efficiency, and convenience, scroll down to the video description now and click the link to get your Canon ImageClass MF462DW. It's the perfect blend of power and practicality, designed to meet the demands of modern home offices and busy workplaces. Don't wait, tap the link in the description and bring home performance you can count on. If you're tired of constantly running out of ink or spending too much on cartridges, it's time to upgrade to the Canon MegaTank G3290 all-in-one wireless super tank printer. Built for both home and small office use, this powerful all-in-one printer is designed to save you time and money. With its MegaTank ink system, you get an ultra-high page yield, thousands of prints from a single set of bottles, which means fewer refills and significantly lower cost per page. Whether you're printing, copying, or scanning, the G3290 delivers sharp, vibrant results every time. It's efficient, reliable, and built to handle everyday tasks with ease. The 2.7 LCD color touchscreen makes navigation effortless, and with wireless connectivity, you can print straight from your smartphone, tablet, or laptop using mobile printing apps like Apple AirPrint or Canon Print. Say goodbye to tangled cables and complicated setups. The auto duplex feature allows for easy double-sided printing, helping you save paper while keeping your workflow smooth and eco-friendly. Whether you're printing documents for work, school assignments, or color-rich photos, this all-in-one device performs consistently and quickly. If you're ready for a smarter, more cost-effective printing solution, scroll down to the video description right now and click the link to order your Canon MegaTank G3290 today. With outstanding ink capacity, mobile-ready features, and high-quality performance in one sleek machine, it's an investment that pays off from the very first print. Don't wait, tap the link in the description and start printing smarter, faster, and more affordably. If you're looking for an easy-to-use, affordable, and compact printing solution for your home or dorm room, the Canon Pixma TS3720 wireless all-in-one printer is a fantastic choice. Designed with simplicity and functionality in mind, this printer offers printing, copying, and scanning all in one sleek and space-saving device. Whether you're printing documents for school, scanning photos, or copying important papers, the Pixma TS3720 delivers crisp text and vibrant color output every time. It's perfect for casual everyday printing, with intuitive controls and a hassle-free setup process that anyone can handle. One of its standout features is its wireless connectivity, allowing you to print directly from your smartphone, tablet, or laptop without plugging in any cables. Compatible with Apple AirPrint, Mopria print service, and the Canon print app, mobile printing is quick and convenient. The Pixma TS3720 also includes a rear paper tray, which makes reloading paper or photo stock super easy. With a compact design, it fits neatly into tight spaces, making it ideal for small home offices, student desks, or shared living spaces. Plus, Canon's quality ink system ensures every page looks sharp and professional. If you want reliable performance without the big price tag, the Canon Pixma TS3720 is a smart choice. Ready to bring one home? Scroll down to the video description and click the link to grab yours today. Whether you're printing homework, photos, or everyday documents, this all-in-one printer has got you covered. Don't miss out. Tap the link in the description and get printing the easy way with Canon. Looking for a portable and efficient printing solution that fits into your busy lifestyle? The IDPRT MT610 Pro portable thermal printer is the perfect tool for anyone on the go. With its 300 dpi HD printing quality, this compact, inkless thermal printer offers clear, sharp, and professional prints without the hassle of ink cartridges. Whether you need it for home use, the office, or even in your vehicle, the MT610 Pro brings high-quality printing right to your fingertips. It's small, lightweight, and designed for ultimate portability, making it the perfect companion for traveling professionals, delivery drivers, and small business owners who need reliable printing on the spot. Equipped with Bluetooth wireless connectivity, the MT610 Pro allows you to print from your smartphone, tablet, or laptop with ease. Say goodbye to tangled cords and time-consuming setups. Simply pair your device and start printing. It supports a variety of paper sizes, including 8.5 x 11 US letter, A4, and A5, giving you flexibility for different printing needs. Whether you're printing documents, invoices, or labels, the MT610 Pro handles it all effortlessly, offering the convenience of mobile printing without compromising quality. If you're ready to take your printing to the next level and enjoy the freedom of printing from anywhere, scroll down to the video description and click the link to order your IDPRT MT610 Pro portable thermal printer today. It's perfect for small businesses, home offices, or anyone who needs a reliable, on-the-go printer. Tap the link in the description to get yours and experience the power of portable printing in your pocket. If you're looking for a high-performance and versatile printer for your office, the HP Color LaserJet Pro MFP3301 FDW is a top choice. This all-in-one color laser printer combines the power of printing, scanning, copying, and faxing in a single, compact device that delivers professional quality results. It's built for businesses that need to produce high-quality color prints quickly and efficiently. With laser printing technology, you'll get crisp, clear text and vibrant, true-to-life color images, making it ideal for everything from reports and marketing materials to presentations and invoices. One of the standout features of the 3301 FDW is its wireless connectivity. You can print from anywhere in your office using the HP Smart App, Apple AirPrint, or Google Cloud Print, and with Ethernet and USB options, it's easy to connect to your network. Whether you're printing from a desktop, laptop, or mobile device, this printer has you covered. The Automatic Document Feeder, ADF, lets you scan or copy multi-page documents in no time, while duplex printing saves paper and reduces costs by printing on both sides of the page. With 30 pages per minute print speed, you'll get fast, professional results without waiting around. Designed for high-volume offices, the HP Color LaserJet Pro 3301 FDW is built for efficiency and productivity. Its 250-sheet input tray and 250-sheet output tray allow for fewer interruptions, letting you tackle large print jobs without constantly refilling paper. Plus, the 4.3-inch color touchscreen makes it easy to navigate and adjust settings, even for the busiest offices. Whether you're working on a small project or handling high-demand tasks, this printer keeps up with your workflow. Ready to enhance your office's printing capabilities? Scroll down to the video description and click the link to buy the HP Color LaserJet Pro MFP3301FDW today. It's the perfect all-in-one solution for businesses of all sizes, offering fast, reliable, and professional results. Click the link in the description to get yours and experience the efficiency and power of this incredible office printer.